Hi guys, my name is Settee. I'm building Pennysia, and today I'm going to explain it to you. So we are working to solve a problem in AMM. Right now, liquidity providers, they are forced to take a neutral position, and many of them are eaten by impermanent loss. And the second is users have a trade-off. So they have to choose between doing LP to earn passive income, but they cannot hold market bias, or you just hold the token still, but they cannot have a passive income. So I have to convince you that LPing is a two-way of short position, which means it's neutral. So if you provide just liquidity X, and as the price of X go down, you gain more X. If the price of X go up, you will lose some X, and vice versa with the Y. The thing is you provide both X and Y, so you double short it. So that's why it's neutral. And the concentrated liquidity is just a bigger short position. So what is Pennysia? We combine the AMM and prediction market together, and we call it liquidity prediction market. So we allow LPs to take a long and short on their liquidity position, just like we create an infinite game between LPs, and the correct direction position will earn more. So let's use Uniswap B2 AMM as example. So in Uniswap B2 you have a liquidity X and liquidity Y, but if you want to combine the LPM into, you will have to split each side of liquidity into long and short. And let's say there is a swap happens, a trader buys token X with token Y. So we will take both liquidity X from long and short proportionally to fill the swap. And the trader will get some token X minus swap fee, and this deduct fee will only goes to the long X liquidity, because the price of X go up, the long X predict the correct direction. So that's why the long X will get 2 times of the fee. And the next is the trader also have to pay token Y, and the total pay could be something like that. But before it get distributed to the long and short, it will get deducted by the 0.3% as well. And if you deduct the swap fee, the rest is just a distribution amount. You distribute it proportionally to both long Y and short Y. But the swap fee, which is the entire 0.3%, will go to the short Y, because the correct prediction here is long X and short Y. So that was only the trading swap fee. But in our design, we also have two sources of income. One is LP withdrawal fee and LP swap fee. So when the LP want to exit their liquidity position, they have to pay some fees. And also if they want to exchange, for example, long X to short X, from short Y to long Y, they have to pay fee as well, because that is counted as a swap. And all fees here earned are auto compounded into liquidity position. So we did a 4 years backtest with 28 token pairs, both high and low volatile pairs. We compare pure Uniswap B2 with the Uniswap B2 plus LPM integrated. So we found that 71% of our test case we outperform Uniswap B2, and the maximum outperformance is 4 times. So you can check the GitHub repository for full report here. And it's time for demo. Now we are on the Pennysia website. I already connected the wallet. Let's check the market page. It will display how many tokens that the market has and how many pool it has. Right now we already created one. Let's jump to the swap page. Swap page allows you to swap the token just like many other decentralized exchange. So you select the token, and do you enter the amount? It will calculate how much you get from this swap. With the average price and inverse price, you can select the slippage tolerance. And then once you're done, you click swap to confirm the transaction. And now you're done. You can check the transaction here. It's indexing. Done. Success. This is the amount you receive. Next, we're going to check out the liquidity page and the LPM. So as you can see that we already have one liquidity position here. Let's create another one. Bar and full. Since this is new pool, we are setting the price. Let's say the price is 1 to 1. Then we select how much we bullish or bearish on full. Bullish on full will means bearish on the token it pairs with. In this case, it's bar. So as you can see that Our 100 full, 75 of mine will be distributed to long and 25 to short, and it will invert to the bar distribution here. Now you confirm the transaction. And now it's done. Now you see we have created another pool, which you can go to check in market. Now we have bar token inside the market, and there is new pool created here. Now let's jump on to manage direction. This is where you can trade from short to long. Right now we have 25,000 short position of full. We're gonna trade for 50% of them. Confirm the transaction. And now it's done. You can check the transaction here. And now as it updates your position, you see that we have gained a lot more in LP token and also for the full value for the long. And the short is deducted by half. Now let's withdraw liquidity. So you can just select all or which one you prefer specifically. Right now I'm gonna withdraw 25% of our piece position. Start your transaction. And now it's done. You have withdrawn almost 25 for full, 25 for bar, and it is the LP token that gets burned. You can check the transaction here. And that is how you interact with the Pennysia. I also want to point out some key observation here. Idea of LPM is simple. We create an infinite game between LP and divide the liquidity for each side into long and short. And as the price moves, the ratio between short and long start to deviate, and it's infinite game. And all the P&L here remains impermanent. And users have opportunity to earn up to 4 times of trading fee, 2x from both sides. And there are 3 income sources: trading fee, LP withdrawal fee, which also help prevent JIT and sandwich attack, and LP swap fee. The design allows fungible LP token, which helps auto compound all the rewards. P&L remains impermanent, of course, and we designed with synchronous architecture, meaning that less gas consuming, and it supports native token. So here are potential that we see with this design, the MM combined with the LPM. It could outperform major MMs for all volatile pair for both APR and net return. All these return organic real yield, and the LP token is fungible, meaning that it can easily be integrated by other protocols, such as for farming, liquidity mining, and lending. Protocol can also incentivize just deterministic direction, meaning that I can just incentivize people to provide liquidity in long only. Can attract more people to join LP because now they can hold market bias and have an opportunity to earn passive income, and the UX is very similar to Uniswap V2. The model is modular and can support all AM curve, and the project can support all EVM chains. So if you are an investor want to invest, you are a developer want to work with us, or your user want to join the beta test, you can contact us directly. Here's the website, documentation, email, X or Twitter, and the GitHub. And if you want to connect with me, here's my email, X and GitHub. See you.